Now comes the raft foundation. The foundation consists of thick reinforced cement concrete slab covering the whole area in the form of the mate is called as raft or made foundation. Raft foundations are used to spread the load from a structure over a large area. They are used when columns are closely spaced with each other. Rather, raft foundations have the advantage of reducing differential settlements as the concrete slab resists differential movement between loading positions. They are often needed on soft or loose soil with low bearing capacity as they spread the load over a large area. It is there is also a one more thumb rule that where the raft foundation is used, that the when the isolated footing foundation and in that case, if the space between the two columns is very close, then we use this foundation. And when the area of the foundation that is covered by the isolated footing is more than 50% of the area, then we go for the raft foundation. Okay, there are some steps of the construction of foundation at the site, and those are majorly five. The firstly, the whole area is dug out to required depth and 30 centimeter more wider than the covered area. The bed is compacted properly. A layer of lean concrete is laid to a suitable thickness. After the reinforcement is laid is a vertical members and horizontal also. Then the concrete of ratio 1 to 4 is laid and is cured properly, and the walls can be erected. The foundation is constructed when ground conditions are poor and is also and soil is also poor to the bearing to bear the loads. Okay, this was about the raft foundation.